If your WordPress site is suddenly redirecting to spammy pages or random ads, it can feel like your hard work is under attack. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to diagnose the problem, fix it, and keep your site safe going forward. Let's jump right in and start reclaiming your website. First, we're going to tackle quick fixes related to your browser and caching. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, what you're seeing is just leftover junk from a previous session, and wiping it clean can instantly get rid of weird redirects. You'll also want to clear any WordPress caching plugins you're running, like WP Super Cache or W3 Total Cache. If you use a CDN such as Cloudflare, go ahead and purge its cache as well. Think of it as airing out all the rooms in your house to remove lingering odors. You want a true fresh start so you see what's really happening on your site. Next, double-check the basic details about your website's address. Go into your WordPress dashboard, head to Settings, then General, and look at your WordPress address URL and site address URL. Make sure these are absolutely correct and match your real site. Pay special attention to whether it's HTTPS or just HTTP, as a simple typo here can cause endless redirect headaches. Now let's rule out issues with stored data by opening your site in a private or incognito browser window. This skips all the saved cookies and cached information on your computer. It's a bit like peeking at your site as a brand new visitor would see it, and that can really help clarify whether the issue is on your end or something deeper within the site itself. If you've tried these quick fixes and your site's still redirecting, it's time to dig deeper into security and code. Start by scanning your site for malware. Install a reputable plugin such as Malcare, Sucuri, or WordFence, and run a full scan. These tools are like hiring a detective. They'll search through your website for hidden malicious code that could be causing unwanted redirects. Here's another step that helps. Go to Settings, then Permalinks, and just hit Save Changes. This action quietly refreshes your site's URL rules, which sometimes get hijacked by malware or rogue plugins. It's quick, just one click, but it can help flush out sneaky injected rules and fix messy redirections. Plugins can also be a source of trouble, especially if you've ever installed a nulled or pirated one. To check for problems, deactivate all your plugins at once, and then reactivate them one by one. As you do this, visit your site each time to spot which plugin brings the redirect back. This process can take a few extra minutes, but it almost always reveals the culprit, so be patient. Don't forget to check your active theme as well. Dive into your theme's files, focusing on header, PHP, footer, PHP, and functions, PHP. If you spot code that looks suspicious, lots of random characters, strange scripts, or anything you didn't put there, it could be part of the redirect problem. Look especially at any files that were recently modified. Malware tends to target those. And lastly, change all important passwords. Your WordPress admin password, your database password, and anything tied to your hosting panel. Think of this as locking every door and window in your house after a break-in. It keeps out anyone who might still have access. Give these steps a try, and you should be well on your way to a spam-free, secure website. If you found this video helpful, drop a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments below. I'm always here to help. And if you want more practical tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.